So you go tell the world, say me take the meat them from the hotel. And I want to meet them the hotel meat, yeah?
Yeah.
Meat, all kind of meat.
And what you do?
I make soup with it.
You do?
Make blood clot soup.
Listen now, send up a message for Philip.
Listen, I want to feel me, I want to take a bill for me man. I'm serious. I'm serious, I can serious now. You're not serious like me, you know. I want me man back. I want him back. I'm serious, I'm not serious, I'm serious right now, I'm serious.
So you are going to get back him man and him man of woman, Sheena.
Me man, him which one? He left me and that. We don't visit any one brother and everyone.
Tune man.
Hey girl, your pussy fatty, bumbo clad. Look for the girl on the phone. For the girl on the phone. Hey girl, look for the girl.
Fine for him man.
Hey girl, your pussy fatty, bumbo clad. Brad. Hey girl, you bubble up. You wear your wine and bubble up and jiggle up. Give me the pussy me up. Give me the pussy me up. Pick up your picture. So me fuck your belly. Selection. Fuck pussy with a raw fiesta. Fuck your pussy with a tart selection.
That is it, man.
Fuck your pussy with a tart selection. Love your pussy on your raw selector. Love your pussy on your raw selector. Love your pussy on your raw.
So no tell me none bad man. I have you in a trench sound in a Tivoli. So no can't tell me none bad man and I wear bad man them. Me say, even though they're in the place and they run like a 10 batty man. You see man go so you have to batty boy. If you see man go so you have to war. Now look back. Can look at now. You can't discern man. You see all dead. Your man for bury no. Bury no. What? No in a Tivoli. In a Rima. How are you no youth? Yo, I'm a real man, a Tivoli in a blood clot jungle. Bad man, there's some son around like a batty man. You keep them the place you can't descend man, they say no, cause them the place, you know. And them the man the ends with them, yo, you see man Alpan rock place, you know, bad man, you know. With all them guns, so they look down Alpan, you know. And say, batty boy, run! Look back on this time now. Look back on this time now, you shut off, you better run like your batty man. Tell me, you know. Yo.
So Roses. Him can't take up nothing for bad like this. You can't run for your body. You can't run take up nothing. If I see them in rascal. I can hardly get 2 hours. You can't run go for your gun now.
Oh, go take out the bicycle and go on down.
What time? Just sleep today. Bro, you know killers. What are they at? Hey. Now force me to it. Boy, I can't take up a weapon or something. I know you jam me that, you're dead. You're dead already. Who's your war? I'm going to chop out the paper. Respect. Don't fuck around. Now when you come to get 1 hour on this, you're gone. Don't run for them. You're not get it. You're not going to kill us. You can't run, say I want to move up in. Him can't take one, say I run go for something to come back. How? You know what this, you know real killers. I'll shoot it. I'll shoot it. That talk. You know that. You don't know I shoot. Prime Minister from Jamaica and set over me. Who was set about and run Jamaica and run this and that. The badness them talk about and goodness me say. Me not way bad. Everything way bad me see then that she way. Right. Me a good man, me no bad man. Yeah. You are male with me head, me defend me hard. I'm a big man. Yeah. Anything me chat, me not afraid to chat the courthouse anyway. One thing you can do, kill me, I do what you want to do. Yeah. Right and right, man. Some of them wrong and one right. What can go so? We not get up one man in and pay some money, no. Oh, we not going to that, me a big man, me no boy. If a woman is in a relationship with me, and me agree, me feel no say fi keep and clear him. Now the king left me yard boy, I go beg neighbor nothing. My duty is to give one fi have. So me not go talk about me chicken back and flour, me love him more than me woman. Me love me woman more than chicken back and flour, because I take care of me food.
Get your food.
Ring.
And that you will order. I mean, in the line was long. For reach, yes, to get my food. And you are going to get your food now. And you can tell me, fuck with it. And that you will order. Pussy will order, because everybody are not idiot. And that you order. Hold on, leave on. You ever got Kentucky, Burger King, or any one of them places there and order something, and when it come to you, I wrong something you get? That the God Almighty told the God love.
The chicken may come a little bit or whatever.
Yeah, but maybe in enough like where you order, because when they put up this and that you get. You complain about that. But right there, so. What the fuck you tell me, Mr. Levan? That you get, you buy that and that you forget. Take it and left out the people in block clot place, man. You know a problem with people. You know a problem with people. So we are calling people. I are going like I eat that to me thing. I mean there come now and want me fucking food.
Hungry no ras.
Hungry like fuck up and I rum. And the block clot tell me that. Where you tell me that? I must be mad.
When you finally get you.
I'm fine, I get you. And the woman I got and me next in line. And you're going to tell the woman, say, and a that. Me never let you come out of people in place. Just want to learn what you do, you damage for now. When you fuck you up, you know you don't touch me now.
Batty boy rapper, you know what I'm saying?
You learn that. And you love Chucky in a gun. You learn that. Alright, me that tell up yes and I because chuck me in my chest and chuck me in my face when you must have that in there.
You know no woman rapper, that's why that I reach you.
When I get trouble first, make Bumbo Club Babylon to give me 20 years and I tell you to give me 50 I tell the friends to kill him boy. I'm supposed to chuck it. Then if you give me 20 purpose, you give me 10 times chuck it. And don't fuck Babylon boy, I'm come jump down for me.
You favorite dog rapper?
Bumbo Club. If you brother boy, we have purpose, bad man. I tell him chuck it.
That's why Paula left you. Go, you can't do no badness.
You fucking idiot, I beat up your woman pussy, man. She left. She has served you. Breathe for me, I can't have it. Cause relative boy, fuck off with that family member. I take a phone out of my face.
Girl, your pussy fatty. Bumbo clad. Look for the girl the phone. For the girl the phone. Hey, yeah.
When you come people place, then you
No, me go on, boy. Don't come and get hungry, we never do.
But Jerry took up in the people them place. And if you can't have so much thing.
I'm not eat ya.
How are you going to eat it?
I'm here.
So this look good?
That bitch look carrying it with me. Let me go home hungry. I start today, you know, I'm not cook.
So Jerry,
I'm hungry.
you don't need to bring home nothing?
We are just, who them here? I'm not going to cook. I'm not going to cook. I'm not going to
So
cook.
Jerry, watch out. How you going to take out this?
I don't care. But I have to go home.
Where you say?
I'm start eat tonight with it.
Where you say?
I'm dinner, you know, man.
You want money?
You know, I cross it, I'm at dinner, that's so you don't go away.
But I can't bring home this. Where you?
Hard earn money this. Hard earn money. Me work brother and buy me thing them, see there? Me 2-star the man and hold on pan brother, see there? Take up my thing man tell me to go in a jeep. You hold on for my money and I say me to go in a jeep. TikTok when you look in the man, see there? Look on the hours this morning and downtown Saturday, you know. I swear the man them are going to take the whole of my thing them in a brother, see there, you know? See there, you know?
Andrew Hollis, I'm tell you this bumbo clad. Why you don't call election? You feel you're going to lose, dog. You're going to lose, dog. And you make it bad for yourself, you know. You promise the people them, oh, you're going to make it better. And you make it worse. I know that the people will look for. So you can't get a next term higher. You know, prove it to it. Before you drop the price them on the blood clot thing, you double the price them. So you feel like Jamaica people are 4-4 people? You lose as fuck, man. Call election and stop fret.
Go and take where you have.
That's true, man.
If you give one money, if you go buy chicken back and flour.
So yeah.
Have you name done him come back for you?
So yeah, the love when you tell him say a bad man.
No, cut one and got my me man.
Cut one and got my blood clot. Say, I love you, David. I know you are the badness.
Why him a come to kill you, you know?
Yeah, sure.
One boy come here, this one boy come here from me, man, I sex him.
How are the boy?
I sex him.
Yeah, so you catch him?
When you boy young tackle man come from a content round to. I sex him, and him no say me no. I'm back at house, I'm here. You better rock.
How are the bobo class?
Something go you my up in legs so. And you man the way up there, man up there so you know. I say yo, I run my yard you come.
Bobo class.
Me take him up so I give him a blood.
You wicked is hot man from over here. Yo, yo. Come. He tap at man. You man the Rasta there. I told tap seller this over here.
Ready yet?
No, I know what it is.
Time man, a full time.
You know
She not how much?
What did you do here, man?
And Sheena born 2002 on August 13 and Sheena birthday.
2002, yeah.
So tell me say Sheena eat that.
Me I know idiot.
Tell me say Sheena eat that, no?
No, she have sense.
Okay.
Smart girl.
Okay. Tell him 2000 how much Philip born.
Philip born 2009, brother.
Oh. And Sheena born 2002.
So Philip, how much Sheena?
Philip born 55. 53,
And he born 2000.
There is
53. And he born 2009. Sheena, which school I used to go?
Brownstone High.
Brownstone High?
Yeah.
Oh, St. Mary.
Brownstone, it's a Brownstone. Then you will name you.
You understand, man. Sheena understanding dunce.
Who done?
Milky.
Milky don't know what done. Stop playing like a new one.
Fuck you, Jamie. Oh, so which part Brownstone are they? St. Mary?
No, man, don't have Brownstone. They're St. Anne.
St. Anne. Oh, yeah. That's a true for real.
What done?
Yeah, true. Me not know a place like that. That's why. Okay.
Jerry, no one done, man.
Milky dunce like Philip, you mean?
Oh, yeah.
Okay then, guys, are snipes.
They can't. There is a big up yourself, Sanita, CMB. Everybody will have a tap screenshot. Big up on yourself.
She not stay good for real, man.
Philip I can't 53, laugh out loud.
No, if Philip born 2009, Philip are 53 for true. If she not say so, same, so you go.
I'm 53, of course. I'm like Monday morning,
last of this month.
Oh, and see she not fix up ear braid or ear well bust down, and you know.
Me I tell you say by next month when you see Sheena, you're not gonna know say really Sheena.
Jamie, no boy, you know. Sheena fix up for you.
Sheena gonna get all brown. You can't stand it.
No man, no, she bleach her skin.
You know how long Sheena tell me say I want bleaching cream.
No man, she not bleach.
I buy a man make you get brown.
I know you know by you.
Mr. Dark Side. Eh?
I know you know by you. I know by
I buy man. I buy some car white gear make a lotion with it. When you buy the lotion and take time tone. You will get brown on.
Wow.
Kids man say wow.
Tell me, Papa.
Sheena husband up the scene.
Up where?
Sheena is beautiful. No bleaching. No, I'm not bleaching. A lotion. Cara white I want lotion.
No, don't make sure put that on her skin, brother. Just make sure do up her ear and, you know, do put all the confusion lash and them go wear there. Something. Sheena, what size you wear in her shoes?
Eh?
What size you wear for your foot?
You know.
Eight and a half.
Your foot no look like 8.5.
How I look like? How I look like?
You look like about... Why? Majority too.
No, me no measure.
Tell me, I put them about 7.
Aye, she in a foot about 7. Cause me not... A 9 me wear. She not can't wear 9.